We are living through the greatest wealth transfer in history. Right now, today, is the best time to be on the planet because of artificial intelligence, AI. But most people are gonna miss it because they're just watching it go by. I'm gonna show you in this video how to create weekly income from AI giants like AMD and NVIDIA without gambling. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm gonna reveal a special safety net trick for selling puts to ensure you don't catch a falling knife. You won't want to miss that. Look guys, there are a million trading channels out there, but let's be real, most of them make it way too complicated. Like day trading, so many people lose their money day trading and it takes a ton of work. On this channel, I focus on two super simple strategies, selling puts and covered calls. And that's all you need to create weekly income for yourself. Now, I've been trading for 30 years and I've done lots of trades bad, especially early on. But the last 10 years, I have exclusively been selling puts and covered calls. That's it. So I'm not here to give you theories. I'm here to show you actionable steps for cash flow. Now let's talk about AI for a moment. AI is projected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. To put that into perspective, that's bigger than the current output of China and India combined. It's massive. But here's the secret. Most people think they need to find the hidden gem software. They're wrong. In 2026, the real money is in the landlords of the internet, the hardware. AI doesn't happen in a vacuum. If you own the chips, you own the toll booth for the entire global economy. And right now, one of those biggest toll booths are AMD and NVIDIA. And when we sell puts, especially on companies like AMD and NVIDIA, we're basically saying this: I'm willing to hold this world-class company at a discount, and you're gonna pay me today for making that promise. Now, quick question for you. Drop a comment below. Are you team AMD or team NVIDIA for the next 5 years? Now let me show you how easy it is to sell a put using my new software. Let's jump right in. And don't forget to stay until the end because I'm gonna show you guys the safety net that I mentioned at the beginning. All right, first we're gonna check out AMD. And I love weekly income. So we're gonna look at this Friday, March 27th first. Now when we sell a put, we get to choose the strike price. That's the price at which we're committing to buy the shares if the price dropped to that level. Now, right now, AMD is trading at $202.68. So let's start with looking at a 192.50 put. That means the stock has to drop about 5% in order to require us to perhaps buy the shares. Now, this contract last traded at 167, meaning this, $167 gets dropped into your account right when you make the trade. You keep that money no matter what happens. Between now and Friday, if the price of AMD is lower than 192.50, great. You're buying a stock that you already like on sale. If the price of AMD stays above $192.50, that's great too. You don't buy the shares and you still keep the $167. Now, in order to make this trade, we need capital in the amount of $19,250. Now, don't worry, if you don't have that much money, I'm going to show you at the end of the video how you can still capitalize on AI, including this ticker of AMD, without that much money. Now, if we're making $167 and we're putting up $19,000, we're literally making almost 1% for the week, annualizing our rate of return out to be almost 55%. Amazing. Now, this calculator is super cool. We can look at higher strikes, we can look at lower strikes, we can go a little bit more conservative, or we can go more aggressive. The choice is yours. Now, let's look at NVIDIA for a moment. Now, NVIDIA is pretty cool because NVIDIA has expirations not just on Friday, but 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's look at a contract that expires this Wednesday in 2 days' time. Now, again, we can be conservative, middle of the road, or aggressive. Let's start with middle of the road. Now, let's look at NVIDIA. Right now, it's trading at 175.64, as we can see here. Now, for example, if we were to sell a 170 put, that contract last traded at 0.47, meaning $47 gets dropped into our account right away. We're committing $17,000 to make the trade because we need to have the money to buy 100 shares if the price drops. Now, we're only holding this contract for 2 days' time, Tuesday and Wednesday, meaning we are literally making 0.25% on our money for 2 days. If we repeat a trade like this every 2 days, we can be very confident in making almost 35% annualized on our money. Now, let's get to the cool part. You might be saying to yourself, Michelle, that sounds great and all, but I don't have $17,000 to commit. No problem. You can trade what's called a credit spread. Now, a credit spread is when you sell one contract and buy another one underneath, kind of as insurance. And at the same time, you can also sell a call and buy another one over that, also as insurance. Now let's take a look at an example if we were to trade a credit spread on NVIDIA. We're just going to type the ticker in here, and for this example, we're going to choose Friday expiration, March 27th. Now we can choose how aggressive we want to be or how conservative we want to be. I'm going to choose something super conservative. Now the app pulls up all the trades for us, and it shows us how much money we have to risk, in this case $457, and how much money we would make. In this case, $43. And if you go slightly more aggressive, we can see our rate of return increase here. You see, the application does everything for us. And I want you guys to understand something super important. You don't need $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 to start. In this case, as an example, you need $418 to start. You see, most people think that trading options is for super rich people, but it doesn't have to be. It could be for everyone. Now, if you're tired of the noise and you want to master the two basic strategies, selling a put and selling a covered call, join me in my next live event. And be sure to hit the subscribe button because I'm putting up videos every day and you don't want to miss out. This channel is the only place for regular people to master options trading, to create weekly income for themselves and live an extraordinary life. Till the next video, happy trading.